Hey guys, rating my fidgets, but these are some of my fidgets, so they're not all. And don't mind that exercise ball. Okay, so here's some fidgets. This is my globby. I say I'd give it a 4. Get out of here. Okay, then this poppet. I think I'll probably give it probably a 6. Yeah, that would be my guess. Okay, next is this carrot one. I love the texture of it, so I'll probably give it probably an 8. And this poppet, it's a little boring, 3. And this is, these are one of my favorites, so I'll give it a 9. This one I don't like. I'll give it a 6. And this one's in a bag. Okay, just help. Okay, back. And this is the I love this. This is a 10 out of 10. Finally, no, not finally. Get out. Let's watch some entertainment. Okay, thank you. Oh no. And sponsoring this video to Sam, Samara Lee, and Joey Stritzel. And Julia Kogut. For some reason. I just subscribed Joey Stritzel and Samara Lee, Fidget Squad 88. She's amazing. So go check her out. I just want to reach to 10 subscribers finally. I've only posted for like probably 4 months. Okay, so this lights up. Ooh, that's really bright. I'll give this a 9. And finally is cappuccino. I give this a 10 also. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy. Bye.